Evening, dear students. Now I want to discuss 2023 JEE Main Phase 1 question, which is from equilibrium lesson. So x giving rise to y plus z kp1 3 given, a giving rise to 2b kp2 1 given. If the degree of dissociation and initial concentration of both the reactants x and a are equal, then the ratio of the total pressure at equilibrium P1 by P2 is equal to x is to 1. What is the value of x? It is integer type question. Now, two reactions provided here. Now, here x giving rise to y plus z, a giving rise to 2b. Initial moles not given. That's why we can assume 1 mole, 1 mole. So 1 mole. Products are not formed 0, 0. Products are not formed 0, 0. So now initial 1 mole 0, 0. Degree of dissociation alpha minus alpha. Here plus alpha alpha. So 1 minus alpha alpha alpha. And coming to here a giving rise to 2b and 1 mole. So initially products are not formed 0. So minus alpha, here 2 moles plus 2 alpha. So 1 minus alpha, 2 alpha. Then here total moles, here 1 minus alpha. So plus alpha, alpha alpha cancel, then 1 plus alpha. Now coming to here, n2 equal to, we can write 1 minus alpha plus 2 alpha. Then this is also 1 plus alpha. Now given moles by total moles, that is a mole fraction, into partial pressure, sorry, total pressure P1. Given moles by total moles into, means it is a mole fraction, into total pressure partial pressure. Given moles by total moles, mole fraction into total pressure partial pressure. These are the partial pressures. Now coming to here, given moles to total moles, here also 1 plus alpha total moles. This is mole fraction into total pressure, we can assume P2. Given moles by total moles, mole fraction into total pressure. Now here we can write Kp1 by Kp2. So Kp1 expression we can write partial pressure of y into partial pressure of z by partial pressure of x. Now we can write alpha into alpha, alpha square, P1 square by 1 plus alpha into alpha, 1 plus alpha into 1 plus alpha, 1 plus alpha whole square by 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha into P1. Here of P1 cancel. Now here of here cancel. Then we can write alpha square into P1 by 1 plus alpha into 1 minus alpha. Then how can we write here alpha square P1 by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. This is Kp1. Now coming to Kp2, So Kp2 equal to partial pressure of b whole square by partial pressure of a. Now, now partial pressure of b. So partial pressure of b means 2 alpha, 4 alpha square and P2 square by 1 plus alpha whole square, whole by 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha into P2. Now here off, here completely cancel, here off, here completely cancel. Now how can we write 4 alpha square P2 by 1 plus alpha into 1 minus alpha, we can write a square minus b square. Now, so Kp1 by Kp2 ratio, how much given? Kp1 by Kp2. So Kp1 3 given, yes. Kp2 1 given. So now we can write here Kp1 by Kp2, that is equal to 3, 1. So 3 by 1, 3 by 1. So that is equal to Kp1 value alpha square into P1 by 1 minus alpha square. Then Kp2 value, it will be reciprocated, means this value reciprocated. So now how can we write 1 minus alpha square by 4 alpha square into P2? Then this one cancel. Alpha square also cancel. Now we can write P1 by 4 P2. And coming to here asking P1 by P2 only, na? That ratio only asking. Then P1 by P2 is equal to 12 by 1. 12 by 1. Then P1 by P2 ratio, that is equal to x is to 1 given now. So that is equal to 12 is to 1. That is equal to x is to 1. X value tell me 12. Here x is 12. So I hope everyone understood this solution. What is the answer? 12. So once observe solution, total solution. First we have to write IC table, initial change equilibrium table. Now total moles, so given moles by total moles mole fraction into total pressure partial pressures. So Kp1 expression, this is Kp2 expression, this one. Okay, Kp1 expression, Kp2 expression. Then Kp1 by Kp2, already 3 1 given. Then we can substitute, we will get like, understood? So this is a very important solution. So I hope everyone understood this solution. Thank you so much.